Yo, welcome to your boy J-Dub's journey. We're gonna get right into it. We're solving the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna teach y'all what we're gonna get going. So, on a Rubik's Cube, it has 6 sides, as I'm showing you right now. The blue, red, orange, green, white, and yellow sides. Now, the middle pieces, as I am pointing out now, will never move. They cannot move from that middle spot. They would always be there. They cannot move. The only way you can move it is if you rotate your cube, as I do so right there.
Khalil Midas beats.
I'm going to show you how to move the cube. Right here I'm messing with the right side of the cube. For Rubik's Cube notations, the way the cube works in each layer is that for every prime rotation, it is moving counterclockwise if you face the cube towards you. And if it is a regular move, it is running clockwise. What this means is if you face, let's just say the upper layer directly towards you as if it's facing you, and you turned it clockwise, that would be a upper layer move. Now, if you faced the upper layer towards you and you moved it counterclockwise, that would be a prime move. All prime moves are going to move in a counterclockwise direction if you are facing the layer you are moving. And vice versa for a regular. This may seem difficult at first, but I'm going to provide a link in the bottom of the description so you can go to a website that will show you exactly what cube rotations there are. This is where the website is going to link you to. This is for the notation. Here's your upper layer, left layer, front layer, right layer, back layer, and down layer. Alright, make sure you go here and you know exactly where it is and make it muscle memory. Once it becomes muscle memory, you'll be able to work a lot faster with your cube, but if I didn't explain it enough, this will definitely help you out. Once our cube is scrambled, we are going to solve our white edge pieces. I always start off with the white side first. You could do whatever color you want, but if you follow along the white side, it will be much more easy for you to understand. What are we going to do is we're going to solve the 4 white edge pieces, and we're going to line them in a cross and have those corresponding cross edges line up with their middle pieces, for example on the top left. What we're going to do to make this super easy on us is put them all on the top layer, which we would call the yellow face, because it is the exact opposite of the white face. Yellow is the opposite of white, blue is the opposite of green, and then red is the opposite of orange. We are setting these all up on the opposite edge because it is going to set us up for a future move that will help us solve the cube faster. We need to set up our future moves so that our current moves do not mess up our previous moves and progress towards the cube. We need to have this mindset going about the cube the entire time, so make sure you dwell upon that and really mess with your cube and see exactly how it works, how it moves. If you move one side, how it will affect the other pieces. There is no something for nothing in this universe, and everything has an equal and opposite reaction to its action. To solve this step of the cube, it is very easy, and do not make it hard on yourself. Use common sense and really think about how the pieces are going to move up into each other. For example, right here I'm trying to show you that you need to put every single edge piece up to the top. But if you do not put the edge piece to an open slot, you will be essentially messing your cross up. For example, right now, if you have one edge piece on top of the other, you're basically just going to put it away and you just replace those two parts of those cube. And this is exactly how the cube works. You want to make sure you have an open slot so that when you switch those two places, for example top and bottom of the edge pieces, it will not mess up your other white edge piece. And this also goes back to what I said before. For setting up your next step so that your previous steps do not lose its progress and we continue solving the cube. Now that we have the whole entire white edge pieces on the top of the cube, we can go ahead and put them on the bottom, solve the white cross with the corresponding middle pieces. Excuse me. If you guys need any help with trying to figure out any variation on putting the white edges on top, let me know in the comment section below and I will give you every single variation possible on the cube. But let's get right into it. To put the white edges on the white face, it is simply all you need to do is line it up with its edge piece and turn the front face, or whatever face that side is, twice or 180 degrees. And what that would do is just put it right on the bottom, because white and yellow are opposites like we said from before, and it will perfectly solve the white cross, making every single edge piece correspond with the white cross and vice versa. If you accidentally mess up and put the wrong cross edge piece in the wrong place, the white cross might still be solved, but you have uncorresponding middle pieces. To solve this, it is so simple, very easy. Just like you put it in, put it right back up to the top, turn it twice, and match it back up to its corresponding middle edge piece, and turn it right back 200 to turn it right back 180 degrees, and you'll be right back up to your white cross. This is very easy, very simple. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below and I will help you guys out. I don't want to make it too hard and I don't want to explain it too much, because I want you guys to learn the cube. I want you guys to go about it and see how many combinations there are. If there's any ways you can get it better, if you could solve it faster, if you guys have any other ways of solving the white cross faster, please let me know. I would very much appreciate it.
They will know your names.